Okay, triangle ABC and XYZ are similar right triangles. Triangle ABC has legs. Okay, so what? This doesn't have any picture, so I'm going to draw a picture with it. So here's my triangle. It says they're right triangles. Okay, it says they're similar, so that means they have congruent angles, proportional sides. Okay, the triangles ABC has legs that measure 8 inches by 14 inches. So 8 inches by 14 inches. It doesn't say which. Those are both the legs because this is the hypotenuse across here. If the longer leg of XYZ measures 63 inches, so I'm saying this is the longer leg here. So the matching longer leg here would be that one. Okay? So I want you to draw this picture. If you don't have this picture, Matthew Mahaney, please draw it now. Okay? So we're going to set this up as a proportion. We're looking for that last length of the shorter leg. So my proportion is going to be 8 over 14, x over 63, okay? So every time y'all chatter and do that stuff, it picks it up. Y'all know that. Y'all have heard the videos, right? Okay. So 14x, and then 63 times 8. Okay. I got 504. Okay, my last little bit, I'm going to divide 504 by 14. And right here, I think I would get 36. But 36 for what? Oh, 3. Oh, you're saying. I'm like, y'all are way ahead of me. I guess y'all already done it. So our answer choice is 36, which is letter choice C. Okay. Number 7, an activity in class. Students use pieces of a string to measure roads on a map. They use a scale to determine the distance between 2 cities. One group measured the distance between Fort Gordon and Mississippi State on the map. The string was 3.75 inches long, which represents a real-life distance of about 136 miles. That's your scale they're given to you, okay? Another group measured the distance between Dallas and Austin and found that it was 6.75 inches long. So this is important, this is important, and this is important. What is the real-life distance to the nearest mile between Dallas and Austin? Okay, they gave us the scale, okay? They gave us inches to miles, and our scale was 3.75 to 136, okay? Now, we need to know 6.75. So, I'm going to put X here. This is going to be a little bit harder because there's some decimals. Those are pretty bigger numbers. So, we're multiplying 3.75 times X. So, we're going to get 3.75 X. And then 6.75 times 136. So, I'm going to come over here. And I'm going to do 136 times 3.75. 6.75, sorry. 6.75, how about that? Okay. 42, 45, carry your 4, 36, 40. Marker. 15, 22, 20. Marker. 5, 7, 6. 3, 8. 11, 3, 9. 1, 2 behind the decimal, 1, 2 behind my decimal there. So I got 3.75x equals 918. Is that what y'all got? Yes. Okay. Now we're going to divide by 3.75. Okay. So 918 divided by 3.75. We can't have a decimal over there. So we're going to go outside, inside, and then up. Back. Just kidding. Sorry, wasn't ready.
She wasn't ready.
So did y'all get 4 here?
Yeah. Yes.
No, that's too many, right? 0 carrier 2, 28, 30, 0 carrier 3, that's 12, 13, 14, 15, sorry. No, that's right. Okay, so we're 1,500 right there. Right? 1,500?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, 180. Drop down your 0. So 4 again. So 244, if you look up there, it looks like it's going to be 244.8. Is that what y'all got?
Yes.
Bless you. Why I keep doing that? I'm having a rough time here. Okay? We should be 15 here. I am not. This should be 15. So we should drop down 3. I'm going to stop there just for time's sake. So we got letter C. Okay. I don't. Next. Ooh. Slide, or next number. Should we skip over to number 8? Is that what we're on? Yep. Okay. 8. Evan and Hayden were trimming the tree branches. Evan was using a 16-foot ladder and Hayden was using a 28-foot ladder. Both ladders were leaning against the tree at a 40-degree angle. The bottom of the 16-foot ladder is 6 feet away from the tree. What is D? The distance of the taller ladder is from the tree, measuring in feet to inches. Look, guys, these are just like triangles, because if I look connected right there, it would make a triangle, right? So that's what you need to see it as. If it's backing up to something like a ladder, they do this visual in all things. I've seen it on all kinds of tests. Okay? So I need to think of this as a triangle. I'm going to do... Okay, yes, go ahead, it sets it up. So we can do 16 over 6 equals 28 over D. Y'all good with that? So 16D equals 8, 168, divide by 16, divide by 16, and I'm going to get 2.5, 10.5, 1, 10. Perfect. Good job. Which is letter choice A. Okay, 9. Caroline enlarged the drawing she made in art class. What is the value of X? Guys, here's the proportion right here. Okay, so you're setting it up. And if you want to do colors, you totally can. On this one, okay, but it's showing you the proportion. So I would say 3.5 over 4.75. X over 50. So 4.75x. 50 times 3.5. Is 175. Okay, so divide both sides by what? 4.75. What the heck? Six. Nope. 4, maybe?
No,
3. Yep. No, that's 1,700. No, that's 1,900. Man, my multiplication is
No.
not on point today. No.
It's not on point on messing up, so it's the same thing.
Oh, okay.
You're not on fleek.
Not today. Not. So you got 14? 14.25?
Yeah. Yes. Actually, yes.
Wait.
And then
Yes, that's right.
and then you have 285?
Yeah.
285.
This is 0. 2,800.
And then you got 400?
Drop down 0.
Okay, so it's going to keep on going, but we're going to stop right there because it's 36. This is the closest one to it. Okay? Last one right here. Kylie was looking at an architect's blueprint for her house. She knows the dimensions of her bedroom are 20 feet by 24 feet. The scale of the blueprint of the house. They're giving you the scale, guys. Right there. Okay? That's important. That's your known. That's always going to be your known. So if you do words, known, unknown. Okay? So my words is going to be inches to feet. My known is going to be 0.25 to 1. We're going to have to do two separate. Do you understand? Because there's two dimensions. A lot of y'all will try to put both of these dimensions in the proportion. They're both feet. Okay? So we need to do two words, known, unknown. So 0.25 over 1. And then we are going to do 20 here on the feet. And then 24 over here on the feet. Everybody understand why we would do two sets of proportions? We have to take each one. So you're going to have to remember that. It's doing two different proportions. So this is times 20. So times 20. So 0.25 times 20. And I got 5. So it's going to be 5. One of them is going to be 5. It looks like there's only one with 5, but let's go ahead and check it. This is times 24. So 0.25 times 24. One, 2, and it's going to be 5 by 6. So there is your answer when we're done. Okay, yes.